What's up, y'all? This is Uncle P, and I want to go over the news events. But before I do that, I want to show you guys something. I want you to pull out your own calculator so you can see this. I wanted to show you our results of the last 2 months. This is nuts. This is really nuts. And then I'll cover the news events. So you can go to our website, by the way, and verify this information. Go to superezforex.com, and then you can click right here, join our signals group, and then you can click this green tab to see our results. And I've been recording our results since the beginning of the year. But let me show you what happened over the last 2 months. This is what the report would look like. You can see our weekly thing. But check this out. What I did was I totaled out how many wins over the last 2 months and how many losses. Okay, break-evens I didn't count. And then I took the total number of pips made in Jenny's live group and took a look at this. In the signals group, but when I did the totals, we did 115 minus 14 losses, so it was 115 winners. We lost only 14 in the last 2 months, so the total number of wins for the last 2 months was 111. That is crazy. 111 winners, okay? And then, besides that, in the live trading group with Miss Jenny, you can see these numbers here, okay? They only had 1 week, which was only 247 pips, where it was just a little ding, but other than that, thousands of pips. So in the last 2 months, and there's an overlap because this overlap from August into September, so that's why I still counted it in the numbers. But you can see they did over 40,421 pips. So for those of you guys who are struggling to trade and struggling to pass these prop firms and stuff like that, please, I'm telling you, you really want to join the signals group. Excuse me, you really want to join the signals group and get that going. In the future, we do have it lined up. I'm working on a project behind the scenes where we will have the auto trader available for you guys so that you won't even have to take signals or whatever. The trades will come directly, be copied onto your trading account, but that's down the line. We're still working on that behind the scenes. But in the meantime, I'm just telling you, look at this. What other group is doing this? What other group is doing this? That's crazy. Okay, so if you want to join, I'm telling you, get the money, make the money, okay? And just click right here to join the advanced signals group. And then after that, you click right here to log in, and the links and everything you need to be in there. Plus, you get a bonus trading system because Miss Jenny's group, they actually have their own personal trading system, and you'll be able to have access to that along with a bonus indicator that I use all the time. Okay, so you get all that. All right, now let's get to the numbers. To the report. So here's the problem with this week. It's going to be quiet up Sunday, Monday, going into Tuesday. Tuesday, the only thing you have to be concerned about is the CPI. And, you know, the consumer price index, basically what on a consumer level, what is our inflation numbers on a consumer level? Okay, consumer level. So that's very important. Sometimes that makes the market spike. Okay, telling how good or bad the economy is. But on Wednesday, unless you're in the signals group, I would strongly suggest do not, I repeat, do not trade this Wednesday. Okay? Don't trade this Wednesday. The inflation numbers and the CPI, okay, these are coming out. See how they're different? You have the general inflation numbers, but CPI, Consumer Price Index, is the inflation numbers on the consumer level, on you and I level. They're going to be coming out. Both of these reports are going to be coming out on this Wednesday. I guarantee this market is not going to be sitting still, okay? It's not, because this is always causing fireworks, because what happens is the feds typically take their cues on whether to raise or lower interest rates or to freeze them at the level they have them at based off of these reports. So this is critically important to the feds and to everybody. So this typically makes the market spike in both directions. So again, if you're not an experienced trader like Mr. Elvis and Ms. Jenny in the Signals group, I would not do it. I'm just telling you. And you can mark my words, whatever, okay? So here's the main ones. And look at over here where I say I don't like trading these events. What is it? CPI, Consumer Price Index, non-farm payroll, inflation, and interest rates. Look at this. 2 of these are on the same exact day right there. You see that? 2 of them are on the exact same day. That makes it really, really concerning. Okay. Then on Wednesday, you have unemployment numbers for the AUD. You have the euro coming out with their inflation interest rates. Okay. Then the USD is coming back out again on Thursday. Now, this may not be as impactful, but we need to know because they're looking at jobless claims. Retail numbers really don't affect the currency market too much. It's more of it affects the stock market and the options market, but just to know that it's there. But the jobless claims is more important to us, okay, the job numbers. And then on Friday, oops, I didn't put Friday here. On Friday, we have the CPI numbers coming out again for the euro, okay, because you have the Eurozone, so it's different sections of the euro, okay. But the biggest day, which is going to be dangerous, it's going to be this Wednesday. So if there's any day you want to chill, chillax, don't want to do anything, that will be this Wednesday. You'll also notice that the market will start to slow down oftentimes. It can do anything it wants, but oftentimes you'll see that the market itself will slow down on the rate of trading because it's actually waiting for the report itself. The big institutions, so the big players in the market are actually going to halt their trading sometimes, almost all the time, in my opinion. But the big traders halt their trading. Why? Because they're listening to the exact same information I'm giving you. They don't want to trade their money because they have no idea what direction this is going to go. So even they're concerned about this particular day. Okay. So again, if you're in the signals group, just follow the lead of Mr. Elvis and Miss Jenny. They are excellent traders. They've been doing this for a very long time. And so, go with that. But if not, leave it alone. Okay. And one more time, this is nuts. I just decided to do the numbers myself and look at this. 115 winners, only 14 losses in 2 months. That totals 111 winners total. Okay. And that's on the signal side. Then in the live trading sessions with Miss Jenny, you got over 40,000 pips. So there's just no way you can't succeed. Okay. With our signals group. So again, go to our website right here, superezforex.com, and click on the join our signals group. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video.